Hello, today we are multiplying a binomial and a trinomial, which is an Algebra 2 topic with Mrs. Griswold. So the problem that we are going to do today is going to be x minus 2 times x squared plus 7x plus 4. So you see we've got our binomial, our 2 terms, our trinomial, our 3 terms. And remember, multiplication is commutative, so I could have the trinomial first and then the binomial second. It still works the same way. Okay? So how we multiply these is very similar to how we multiply 2 binomials. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the x in the first term and I'm going to distribute it to all 3 pieces in the trinomial. So I'm going to do x times x squared, which is going to give me x to the third. And then I do x times 7x, which is going to give me plus 7x squared. And then I'm going to do x times 4, which is going to give me plus 4x. Okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing with the second term in the binomial. I'm going to distribute it to the trinomial. But instead of just adding it over here on this side and making a really long string of terms, I'm going to align like terms and kind of stack these so that I can add them together pretty easily. Okay? So I'm going to distribute negative 2 to x squared, which is going to give me negative 2x squared, and I'm going to put that below the 7x squared. Since those are like terms, I can add those very easily. Okay? Then I'm going to distribute the negative 2 to the 7x, and that's going to give me negative 14x. Again, I'm putting it right below its like term, so I can combine those later. And then lastly, I'm going to do negative 2 times 4, which is going to give me negative 8. Okay, so this is just a really nice way to organize your work. You don't have to be looking for like terms along a really long string of terms. Okay, so once we have those nice and aligned, what we're going to do is we're going to add them together, kind of like we would do our regular 3 or 4 digit addition. So x to the third, there's nothing to add together with that, so that's just going to come down to my answer. And then 7x squared and negative 2x, I can add those together to give me plus 5x squared. Oh, I think I said 2x squared, sorry. And then 4x minus 14x is going to give me negative 10x. And then lastly, no like terms to combine with negative 8, so negative 8 just gets put along at the end. Okay, so my final answer then is x to the third plus 5x squared minus 10x minus 8. Make sure you write it in standard form, and that is how you multiply a binomial and a trinomial.